Well, hello there and welcome to another training nuggets. In this video, I will be showing you on how to make money using ChatGPT, WordPress in Amazon affiliates. So let's get started. The very first thing you'll want to do is to navigate into Google and find the WordPress blog creation section. If you click on that, you'll be navigated into the main interface of WordPress where you can log in and start creating a blog. The blog comes in for free and you can post your products, post your articles, and even any other content that you may want. I have already created my blog, so this shouldn't be very difficult for you by clicking on Start a Blog, fill in your account details, and it's done. You can navigate into the post section, select add a new post to create a new posting. Once that is done, it's time to navigate into the Amazon affiliate and create an account. I will go back to Google and search for Amazon affiliates. I'll then create on Amazon affiliate central option and create an account. Once you fill in the account details, this is how the interface will look like. You can see I have not done any much of the transactions in my account for now. Well, this is my Amazon affiliate account, and this is how the newly created looks like. You can navigate into the product section and select product links. However, in the recent update, Amazon has disabled some of these links and the banner tagging into your content. So the very best thing is to pick these kind of links from the actual Amazon website. So I'll navigate into Amazon.com, and this is the homepage. This is how it looks like. And I'll want to pick a product that has been trending. So by looking at some of the items in here, we have today's deals by again customer service, a number of them. I'll find one product that is of my interest. In another video, I will be showing you on how to find those trendy products. However, here I can tell we have some international top sellers that I can take advantage of, from products to electronics that can be used during these seasons. So I can scroll through just to find a product that I'll be interested in. So we have creating business solution softwares. I'll be interested in computers, so I'll click on the drop down and select computers. Remember, that is a niche I find to be very valuable, and everyone is searching for computer and visual production tools and equipment. So there are a number of items that are presented here, and you can tell from the product description, the ratings are shown here. I can tell this is 19,427 ratings. We have 11,000, etc., etc. And well, the rating is pretty good, so we will be using this. So I'll click on that link to see the full details of the product. My main interest is the ratings that the product has already gotten, and not only that, the title of this specific product. I will then copy the title of the product, select, double click and copy, then navigate into ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, I will ask ChatGPT to type for me a review of the product I have just copied in Amazon. So ChatGPT will start producing content based on all the available web resources. It will talk about the design and build quality, display quality, gaming performance, built-in speaker, and many other features. So what I will do in this case is to wait for ChatGPT to complete and then pick this article that has been auto-generated into my blog. So at the top, there is the title. So I'll click, select the title, go back to my blog, my WordPress blog that we have already created, and paste the title in there. I will then go back to ChatGPT and select the rest of the content. And I'll paste in here. You'll notice that I do not have the affiliate links that are targeting the exact post because it has my affiliate marketing link. So I'll go back into Amazon, and this being the product that we have written about, navigate into the Amazon affiliate links which are provided on the Stripe section at the top. I can decide to pick a text and then create an image where I'll tag that in. I can also pick an image or a text plus an image. I'll select image as an example just to show how this looks like. And by clicking on image, I'll be prompted to select the size of the image I'll prefer. I'll select large, and down below I'm provided with an HTML code which is embedded. So I'll right click to select the code, copy that, navigate back into my post, change the editor from visual to text, navigate inside that post and paste it in there. If I go back into visual, you can tell there's a preview of that photo. I can also navigate to google.com and select one of those order at amazon.com buttons. I'll right click to download or directly copy that particular product, and then I can paste it inside my blog. I'll resize it just to make sure it fits. But also remembering this button does not have a link directed to my product. So to do that, I'll go back into my Amazon, select text this time around, select the link that has been provided and copy, navigate back into my blog and tag this image or button with that link. I'll click on the image at the top, insert or create a link, and I'll do paste. I can also customize other link options, for example, opening a new tab, which makes more sense. I'll then click on update and publish my article. Remember that you can also do other SEO customizations, including creating meta tags for Google and search engine preview, among many other pieces. Well, once it's done, this is how it will look like on your website. And if you click on the link, it takes you directly to your Amazon post. Well, that is how you work with WordPress, ChatGPT, and Amazon Affiliate to create money online. You can now hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next nugget.